Regional Queensland will be helping to supercharge our state's future with the Prime Minister's large grid battery plan. Maryborough, Townsville, Rocky and Gympie are expected to play a major manufacturing role.
Inside these shipping containers are large batteries assembled with parts from across regional Queensland.
There were components and manufacturing there in Townsville, Rockhampton, Maryborough and here.
Queensland-based battery company Energy Storage Industries is set to build large grid-scale cells for the Prime Minister's national renewable energy strategy.
There is no state that is better positioned to benefit from this transition than the great state of Queensland.
ESI's battery will be play an important role in grid stabilisation.
The batteries will be manufactured in Maryborough from the second half of 2025, with parts also sourced from Gympie. Another component is already being produced in the north.
We are currently manufacturing electrolyte from our Townsville plant, which is the part that holds the charge in the battery.
Batteries are also being delivered to the Stanwell Power Station in Rockhampton. Building, installing and maintaining them will generate 500 jobs and more than $9.2 billion for the state's economy over the next 20 years. Jamie Tenikoff, 7 News.